Ladies. Today is May 4th, and we are in our new packet this week. We are on page 9 today for your CGI lesson. Our word problem says Terry had $18.16 in savings. He wants to put $63.41 more in his savings. How much money will Terry have in his savings? So first thing, we're trying to figure out how much money Terry will have in his savings. So we want to know that total amount that Terry is going to be putting in that savings account. So to begin with, we need to know how much Terry even has in his savings account. And looking at this, it says Terry has $18.16 already in savings. And then Terry comes into a little bit more money and wants to put $63.41 more into his savings. And we want to know how much money Terry is going to have in savings. Another thing that I could ask is how much money will Terry have in his savings in all, or how much total money will Terry have in his savings in order to solve this problem. So just kind of a reminder, before you get started, we know that there are some very specific rules when we are working with decimal numbers, especially if we are thinking about that total amount of money that Terry has. I want you to think about what that rule is when we're working with finding the total of something, especially when we are using decimal numbers. So at this point, go ahead, pause your video, and unpause when you're ready to solve. Hi, ladies. All right, let's take a look at this problem together. We know that Terry has $18.16 total money that's already in his savings account, and then he wants to have $63.41 that's being added into his savings account, and we want to know how much total money he has in savings. So this money is being added into the savings account. So he wants $63.41 more put in there. So I want you to think about those quantities and then also what the question is asking. So we know that we have the same unit. So looking at our 4 operations, we want to ask ourselves, are we trying to figure out a larger number or a smaller number? Are we taking this largest number and subtracting this away? Are we trying to find the difference, or are we trying to find something in all? What is it that we're asking ourselves? So first of all, we want to figure out, do we know our total? No, we don't. We want to know the total. So we know that we can get rid of division and subtraction because we don't have that large quantity. We have 2 units that are the same. We're working on money today. So we know that since our unit is the same, we are going to be adding those together. Big misconception when you're working with decimal numbers is the ability to add them together without lining up that decimal. You have to line up your decimal before you can add decimal numbers together, or you're possibly going to get the incorrect answer. You want to make sure that all of those place values line up correctly. So in order to solve this, we're going to start. We have $18.16, and we're going to add that to $63.41. Remember, we want to make sure that those decimals are lined up. So they're right here, stacked on top of each other, and then all of the place values are also lined up as well. So 6 plus 1 gives us 7. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Now we have our decimal. We want to make sure that we bring that straight down. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So we get an answer, a sum of $81.57. It's really important that we check our work to make sure that we are accurate. So in order to do that, we're going to do the opposite operation, which is subtraction, taking that largest quantity, subtracting away, and then hopefully getting $18.16. So we're going to start with that $81.57 and subtract away $63.41 and hopes that we get $18.16. 7 minus 1 is 6. We're off to a good start. 5 minus 4 is 1. bring down that decimal. Remember, we're adding or subtracting. We always stack those decimals. We can't do 1 minus 3. We're going to turn this into a 7. This becomes an 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 7 minus 6 is 1. We have the same answer. So when we're finding that total amount of money that was put into savings today, we have an answer of $81.57. Our unit is dollars, so that dollar sign stands for our unit. And then our equation that matches our work would be $18.16 plus $63.41 equals $81.57. And don't forget, you want to make sure that you have those dollar signs within your problem